welcome back to AIQrArt 101. Today we are going to be digging in a bit deeper into a QR artistic section. So to start with, we are going to have to create a QR code to use while creating some art for our backgrounds. So we're just going to generate a simple QR code, and then we're going to enter the reality render version 3 for the video purpose. And we are going to select Laurel model version 2. For this, you can select as many as you like, but just for this video, we're going to just select version 2. We're going to enter a pre-made creative prompt for a Japanese garden cherry blossom, and we also have a pre-made negative prompt which we're going to enter to avoid the AI including any of these features into the image. So for the select image ratio, we are just going to keep it at a 1:1 for perfect squares. The sample count we are going to change to just one image. We're going to keep the detailed refinement steps at 50 and the transformation intensity at 0. And we are going to keep our creativity and accuracy balance at 10. The random seed will just stay on 1, and we're going to hit submit. And there you have a QR code of the background we have chosen. So from here, you can then add your own brand, which is an area where you can introduce your own logo into the imagery you have selected. So you would go to your choose files and you would select either a PNG or a JPEG file. So for this, we are going to use this file here, and we're going to press submit. And then this will add in the logo into your art. If you have found the QR art you have fallen in love with, then you can then download the QR art with your brand into your files and save it and use forever. And that is everything for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Goodbye.